Seeing room for improvement.
Topic objective. To open the mind to new and improved ways. A strong vision does not lend itself to mediocrity. A drive to excellence always seeks improvement. If you accept 95% efficiency as a goal, the efficiency will inevitably slip to 90%. If that's considered good enough, it will become hard to keep it above 85% and so on. A vision is a goal that is strived to achieve. Goals must not be unrealistic or unattainable, or people will simply give up trying altogether, becoming dispirited and demoralized in the process. If 95% of people fail to meet a standard, then that standard is likely too high and must be changed. On the other hand, the bar must not be set so low that little or no effort is required to meet it. Based on your vision, set high goals that are attainable, but with some degree of difficulty, and reward those who meet the goals. If a large number of people are meeting the goal, raise the target. If only a very few are meeting it, lower it somewhat. Investigate any potential bottlenecks that might be stifling progress and resolve them. Talk to your staff about possible solutions. The people who actually do the work are far more likely to be able to tell you why they are having difficulty accomplishing a task than their supervisors. Topic summary. This part asks participants to set new goals.
Lobbying for change.
Topic objective. To discuss the lobbying for change. To lobby for change, you need to influence people and excite them about your vision. You may need to persuade a reluctant boss or fight a corporate culture that doesn't understand what you are trying to do. In that case, you need to demonstrate why your requested change needs to occur. Do your research, and always enter a meeting by being prepared. Study the situation and present all of your findings in a short report, preferably with simple charts or graphs. Give them something they can easily understand. Have the details ready in case you are asked a question, but don't overload people with facts. Show as clearly as possible how your plan will promote positive change. You may want to revolutionize a cultural change. Perhaps you are eager for change while the employees lack motivation. You may need to bring about change slowly, rather than with one big dramatic gesture. On the other hand, you may need to shake things up in a big way. Whatever the situation, you can successfully lobby for change if you attack the problem with a plan, sound reasoning, and infectious enthusiasm. Topic summary. This part asks participants to prepare to lobby for change. Leadership. The art of getting someone else to do something you want done because he wants to do it. Dwight D. Eisenhower.